And I think when you reach your 30s, mas ma-realize mo lang na wala kang hinihintay na permission from other people.
How about yung mga taong ika nga multi-passionate? Paano sila like if tutungtong na sila ng 30s, ano bang mafu-foresee nila? Ano bang like a better way to live their 30s?
I love that question because I think deep down lahat tayo multi-passionates, multi-hyphenates. And I think when you reach your 30s, mas ma-realize mo lang na wala kang hinihintay na permission from other people na you can do whatever you want. Ikaw bahala if you want to be creative and business-minded and like all at the same time. Because ako na-program ako na parang, okay, if I pursue a career in the arts, parang it's not gonna be able to pay for the bills. Parang, but let me find a way to, diba, to maybe prove them wrong. So, I took up business in college and now I'm a professional comedian. So, parang medyo magkalayo sila. But I am able to make my business degree work for how I brand myself sa comedy. So, ayun, like, don't put yourself in a box, I guess is what I'm trying to say.